547 Suwanee Circle, Waterfront Opportunity on Davis Island's prime waterfront location on Davis Islands, a rare opportunity for luxury home builders or those looking to restore a mid-century gem. Situated on 0.23 acres with 78 feet of water frontage along the Suwanee Canal, this property offers direct access to the bay with a fishing dock and old-school boat lift. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,368 square foot home, built in 1960, is surrounded by multi-million-dollar estates. This property is being sold as is, presenting an excellent opportunity to either restore the existing home or tear down and build new. No HOA and no CDD community. Davis Islands is a golf cart-friendly community with a vibrant village featuring restaurants, cafes, shopping, a post office, and essential services like a bank, fire department, and Tampa General Hospital. Residents enjoy access to a private airport, marina, public boat ramp, clay tennis courts, dog parks, playgrounds, a community pool, and various recreational facilities. The home lies within the highly desirable Gorrie, Wilson, and Plant School District, all A-rated schools, and is just minutes from Downtown Tampa, Tampa International Airport, MacDill Air Force Base, Bayshore Boulevard, Hyde Park Village, Riverwalk, Sparkman Wharf, and Water Street. Whether you're looking to renovate or build your dream waterfront estate, this prime Davis Islands property offers endless potential. Room sizes are approximate.